All right, guys, we're about to crack open this Apothic Red Winemaker's Blend. And I got two different options to get this cork out. I can either go the traditional route with one of these bad boys. This is what my grandma used. Or we can utilize this sweet Oster cork remover. It is 2024. It charges up. It's got two different options, down and up. I'll show you how it works, show you how awesome this is. Put it on top here, apply a little bit of pressure, hit the down button. Just gonna take it right in. You can see the cork's already starting to come up. There we go. Voila. So sweet. Get you one of these if you're a wine drinker, if you're a novice, if you're an expert. Just get one of these. Oh man, it smells so good. Super simple. And I can push her up. Just come right back down. Ta-da. There you have it. 10 out of 10. 5 stars. That's a review.